What's up guys? I hope you all are good. Welcome back to my ARC channels and this is professional ethically just every each and every haircut just we keep on updating for new ethical skills and this technical works on that head shape according to the haircuts and this according to the textures and lot of things are included in this haircuts each and everything. So today's subject we're going to be discuss something like it will be round layers. Round layers it will be the head shape it will be completely round and face shape it should be round shape. And the hair it will be silky and straight and this medium length who carrying with a below shoulder. For them, this is one of the suitable haircut according to that the face ambience and so many things are beyond of the haircut for needs. So today we'll be going to be learn something different and amazing subject which is called something totally new and trendiest haircut you've ever seen before. And stay till watch the end, you can just see all the techniques of the haircuts and the skills and the degrees and the elevations and graduations, each and everything including these haircuts. I hope you all understand about the previous videos and also enjoyed a lot and this video will be going to be something learn some new concept of the haircuts for lessons and my client was having carried with a medium shoulder of the length and she wants to be reduce much of the length, so that's the regards I can just stop exactly the round section is separated for the start of the eyebrow to end of the eyebrow to all the sides. You can just see I'm explaining with help of through comb as well. And the fringe portion also I'm separated in the back and just taking directly with the one line basic in the bottom. And now I'm just going to be start with the trimming on the bottom portions which can be carried layers. Then basic haircut which is going to finish, and top of that we're going to be add the layers which is called exactly pick from the bottom length which will be dropping down and rest of the hair adding the layers. The topmost corner we can just pinching up to the opposite to the exactly with the layers which is collapsing with the bottom length without collapsing. It's exactly picking with 110 and rest of the hair add the layers which can be however it will be come to you can just add the layers and rest of the hair dropping down. The bottom hairlines is not to be required to be cut too much. Why? Because we want to be save the length and apart from the length we can just add the foundation of the layers. And now we come to another side and study guideline we can just taking up and just following the same thing. And now we come to the side portions. You can just give with one line before giving to the layers. And with the side portion also we just picking up to the same stationary guideline and rest of the hair add the layers. Now I'm releasing the crown portion. Before that I'm just taking with a pinch up to this very small section of the guideline from the bottom of crown and rest of the hair I'm just separating. Now completely release from the crown portion and like big horseshoe section. After rest of the hair separated, we can just take the guideline from the bottom and rest of the hair and releasing the crown portion and just going to add the layers. Now you can just see that guideline which I am just carrying forward with exactly crown portion. Up to the guideline and just giving to the exactly layer on the top portion. In the top portion, just bit I'm just diagonal backward and just take to the section and just in the center crown of this section and just take to the overall the pivoting, separating with the pivoting slicing techniques. The rest of the hair just taking to the stationary guideline, just consistently following exactly however it comes and giving to the layers. Now I come to another side. Now release the fringe portions. I'm just going to give it a fringe with a one side. Just previous guideline was remain and just rest of the hair just give to the exactly with the same portion diagonal carry forward up to triangle shape. Now it's completely my cut got finished. I'm just going to give a blow dry with messy blow dry. After that I'm just showing something messy layers and just consistently we just keep following the proper all the instructions. You can just see overall to the same techniques and just random things which is going to be something it will be given additional parts. Now I'm just giving to the blow dry, messy blow dry. Now I completely release the messy layers. You can just see completely bouncy and just carry forward with very flexible layers. And before styling, you can just shaking up to all the layers. You can just see very clearly on the hair. Now I come to the front portion. You can just see it completely messy layers is how it fallen to the center, and the side base is how when it will be released it will be more bouncy on the hair. Now just be taking for a blow dry section, just going to blow dry with overall. And just one of my favorite techniques after the blow dry, which is called the inversion, and it will be out curls, whichever is come the spiral blow dry, and which can be makes completely bushy and neat finishing look. Now it's completely my blow dry is done, and you can just see into the layers, and you can just see that movement how it will be falling volume and flexible and most silkiness on the hair. And you can just see from the front it will be completely, it will become like inversion layers techniques, which is called completely out layers, which is flipping out and just messy and glossy finishing. You can see in completely different kind of hairstyles on this. And this is my final finishing up to the blow dry, and now after this we just give texture finishing. So before that we can just take into the natural complete up to the layer techniques. Why? Because we want to show something, it's each and every layer part with very clearly, and how it will be going to falling down after the styling on the hair. So that is part is completely done. The both the side, I'm just changing to the partitions with the side bases. And this is one of the most up to the beneficial and most awaited for bonus tips for and everyone after the haircut, which can be given to the presentation is most important for each and every haircut, and that part we just every time we improve our skills. And if you have any other questions or doubts to be asked, please let me know comments below. For if you really like the video, hit the like button and do share with your friends. And now we come to giving to this texture on the final finishing. After this texture, it will cut will be going to final look. So remember, certain haircuts it will be needed for texture. Without texture, its cut cannot be finished. So that is the things which can be makes completely neat and clean finishing. Now cringe part is got finished. Now everything is vanished. This is my final look. If you have any doubts, please comments below. We'll meet up to the next video. Until, take care, be safe.